Yeah, hello YouTube. This is Chad with RetroVideoGamer.net. This is a video I've been meaning to make with my Sega Nomad, and I already did the AV, well, an AV mod, probably not the AV mod. I got tired of trying to find the Sega cables, so made my own. Works great. Haven't done anything with S-Video or VGA yet, but we'll work on that in the future. For now, I just wanted to give kind of a demonstration as far as the initial graphics before I do the screen replacement. I've seen there's been a lot of interest for that, and some demos are okay, some are not so okay, so figured I would make my contribution. So this will be video 1, and I'll make another one after the, well, probably during and possibly after the screen is put in. So this is the initial screen here, for those of you that don't know, and owners will obviously know what the original screen looks like. Really bad motion blur, contrast is pretty terrible, colors are washed out. Some games it's nearly impossible to play, games that are fast, like this one. We'll go ahead and get into the game here. And I think I'll be doing a sound upgrade as well. Haven't looked a whole lot into that, but again, you can see that the motion blur is very bad, and in a lot of places it's very hard to see what's what, like so. And seems like it's very unresponsive. A lot of things are delayed, which causes a problem as well. So the new screen should fix that. So anyways, this was just a quick video. Keep you guys updated. And I'll post the finished product when it's done, and perhaps a little how-to as we go along. Thanks for watching.